Welcome to our statistics series. Today, we are diving into a fundamental concept called deviation from mean. It sounds technical, but it is actually a very simple way to measure distance. First, let's quickly remember what the mean is. It is the average, the balance point of your data. Imagine a seesaw. The mean is exactly where it balances perfectly. We need to find this center point first because everything else we do today is measured relative to it. So, what is deviation? It is simply the story of an individual data point. It tells us two things: how far a specific number is from the average and in which direction. Is it higher or is it lower? Here is the math. It is just x minus x bar. X represents the individual score you are looking at, and x bar represents the mean. That is it. A simple subtraction problem. Let's visualize this on a number line. The mean is our anchor. It sits at the center of our world for this calculation. If the mean is 10, then 10 is our 0 point for deviation. If a data point is larger than the mean, the result is positive. For example, if the mean is 10 and our data point is 14, the deviation is positive 4. It is above average. Conversely, if a data point is smaller than the mean, the result is negative. If our data point is 5 and the mean is 10, the deviation is negative 5. This negative sign is important. It tells us we are below average. What if the data point is exactly the same as the mean? Then the deviation is 0. There is no distance. It is right on the mark. Let's walk through a real example with a small data set, 2, 4, and 9. The mean of these numbers is 5. To find the deviations, we just subtract 5 from each number. 2 minus 5 is negative 3, 4 minus 5 is negative 1, and 9 minus 5 is positive 4. Here is a magical property of the mean. If you add up all these deviation values, the sum will always be 0. The negatives and the positives cancel each other out perfectly. This is how you know you calculated the mean correctly. Think about height. If we drew a line on the wall for the average height of a group of friends, some friends would be taller, standing above the line. That is positive deviation. Some would be shorter, below the line. That is negative deviation. The deviation is just the difference in height from that average line. To wrap up, deviation is just x minus x bar. It measures the distance from the center. Positive means above average, negative means below, and they all sum to 0. Understanding this simple gap is the first step to mastering standard deviation and variance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.